When it was finally time for my first semester exams at IIT Hyderabad, one of the biggest struggles we everyone faced was finding the previous year question papers and quizzes. We requested seniors, finding some dry folders, and so much more, but honestly, it was a headache. Nothing was neatly organized, nor we couldn't find anything. But as a web developer with over 4 years of experience and building more than 50 plus websites even before entering into my college, I definitely thought I can contribute something from my end. And that is when I started to work on a project called Resource Hub, and it is here for you. Hello, everyone. So, here is the website you all have been looking for. It's called IITH Resource Hub, the ultimate platform where you can find previous year question papers, notes, and much more. It's super simple to use. Just select your department, followed by your current semester, and from the list of courses available, let me select Maths for Physics. And there you go. You find all the resources neatly listed with title, the year in which it was published, and also the professor who taught the course. And if you click on read more, here it is. PDF, you can directly view it on your browser, and this is how you access the website. If you'd like to contribute in the similar way, you can visit the contribute page, and together we can make this useful for every one of us. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to contact me, and thank you once again. Happy learning. That was it. 2 months of hard work, working alone, collecting all the files, question papers, quizzes, and organizing them in a single platform where everyone can find whatever they are looking for with just few clicks. It was tough, but it was useful again. And that is what I wanted to do. Of course, there were questions. Will students really use it? Is it really going to be useful for them? And I don't know. I just executed it and it worked out well. I got an amazing response from all my friends, my batchmates, and it was really very useful for them. And more than that, especially as I turn into be a sophomore this year, for my juniors, I definitely feel this is going to be a very good platform to find all the question papers neatly organized, and I really hope they like it. So, this is something I just wanted to share with you. So, yeah, this is one of the projects I worked in IIT Hyderabad, and there are a lot more which I did and have been working. So, I'll be happy to share that in the upcoming videos as well. So, stay tuned and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.